Hello everyone, my name is Hamza, and today our topic is about safety critical autonomy, verification, and validation. So, think about this topic is imagine a robot is performing surgery, or a self-driving car is moving on a busy road. Now, think what if the system makes a mistake? Or what if AI gives wrong decisions? So, in some systems, one small error can cost a human life. So, this is where our topics comes safety, critical autonomy. Uh, you see the image in the screen. Uh, if we see a simple definition of safety critical autonomy, self-critical autonomy refers to systems that can make decisions on their own, where a failure can cause serious harm or death. So, autonomous system is is equal to works without human control, and safety critical is equal to mistakes are dangerous. For example, self-driving cars, surgical robots, airplanes, and industrial robots. So these systems take decisions, control actions, operate in real world. So, but different is in normal AI error occur small issues, but safety critical AI error is equal to is very create a disaster. So in a real world scenario, self-driving car, AI sees road signals, people. So decision is brake or not. If wrong decision is create accident. If decision is correct, so save the journey. So surgical robot is cutting tissue. One mistake is serious serious damage are very dangerous. So the core challenges is AI models are not perfect. They can mispredict, fail in new situations, behave unexpected. We need verification and validation. So next topic is about verification. Verification means checking whether the system is built correctly. In simple terms, we say, did we build the system right? So, for example, check code is correct, or logic is correct, rules are followed. So, in AI systems, model behaves as expected, no logical errors, safe boundaries defined. So, basically, in engineering and software development, verification is the process of confirming that a product, service, or system meets its specified requirements and technical design standards. So while validation asks, did we build the right thing, and verification asks, did we build it right? So So the key properties of verification is for one of them is focus. It checks that the design implementation matches on the original design and requirements. And the second one is timing. It is typically internal process conducted throughout every phase of the deploy development life cycle. And the third one is goal to find fix bugs or design flaws early before the product is integrated or released. And the other topic is validation. So, in simple definition, validation means checking whether the system works correctly in real world situations. So, in simple meaning, are we building the right system? So, for example, test real world scenarios, edge cases, unexpected situation. So the difference is the difference between verification and validation is the verification is internal correctness and the validation is real world correctness. So why both are needed? So even if a system is correct internally, it can fail in real world. That's why both are critical. So so there are deep safety mechanisms. Um, Validation means whether the system works correctly in our scenario in simple meaning, and the deep safety mechanisms, the one of them are like fail safe systems. If something goes wrong, system stops safely. For example, car brakes automatically, and the second one is redundancy. Uh, Redundancy, multiple systems to do same task. For example, two sensors, two models. If one fail, the another works. And the third one is a human in the loop. Now, human can control system. For example, a doctor supervises a robot. The fourth one is continuous monitoring. System is always checked. And the fifth one is testing and simulation. Before real world, test in virtual environments. So in a new world scenario, the number one is autonomous surgery. AI plus robots perform surgeries in current level assistance mode and not fully autonomous, but in future high precision surgery and minimal human intervention. And the second one is a self-driving car. Current level partial autonomy level 2 and 3, but in companies like Tesla, etc., self-driving cars. Uh, the key challenges is unpredictable environment and human behavior. And the third one is autonomous aviation. Planes already use autopilot, but in future fully autonomous flights. So the risk is system failure is equal to huge disaster. And the fourth one is smart factories. Robots operate without humans, need high safety, zero error tolerance. So in current world progress, where we are today. So AI is powerful but not fully reliable. In current status, semi-autonomous systems exist. Fully autonomy is still limited. So in research areas, working world is working on explainable AI and robust AI models, safe reinforcement learning, and formal verification. So the top players of them is top companies is Tesla, which make self-driving car. The second one is Google, autonomous cars, and the reality check fully safe autonomous systems is equal to still under development. But why? Because real world is unpredictable. So the big challenge is AI works well in training data, but real world is messy. For example, rain, fog, unexpected human actions. So systems must handle all cases. In the future vision, safer AI systems, more autonomous robots, better healthcare, smart cities. So think about this. Would you trust a robot to operate your body, a car to drive your family? So the trust comes from safety. So this topic is about making AI not just smart, but safe and reliable. So safety critical autonomy refers to systems where mistakes can be dangerous, and verification ensures the systems is built correctly, and validation ensures systems works correctly in real world. So the future of AI is not just about automation. It is about building systems we can trust with human lives.